My name's Paul Merrill. I'm currently the CEO and owner of Casper's Ice Cream Incorporated. We are the maker of novelty ice cream bars as well as half gallons. Our brand is the Fat Boy brand. We make a variety of products from ice cream sandwiches to nut sundae bar on stick. We've been making ice cream novelties since 1925. My grandfather was Casper Merrill, who started the company. He started with his very first product was the Casco nut sundae on a stick. Later in the 1940s, Casper Merrill built a small manufacturing facility. My father, Derwin Merrill, came back to help build a new facility by the original farm. We operated in that facility from 1979 until today, but we've also in the last couple of years had the need to expand, and we built a brand new 75,000 foot manufacturing plant right next to our older plant to keep up with the demand. We currently are selling in all 50 states. We also sell to a few other countries. Our recipes for our novelty ice cream bars have changed very little in the last 93 years. We still use the ingredients and recipes that my grandfather started the company with. We believe in giving our customers a high value, high quality product for a reasonable price. About 1993, we decided to put in a malt shop where people could stop on by our factory Monday through Saturdays and taste some of the different flavors we make, as well as buy our novelties that we make.
I've always come to Casper's, probably like the best ice cream place we can find in the valley.
No one gets mad when you give them ice cream. It's just a happy place to work, and you get to eat whatever you want.
Check it out. Check out the local ice cream because it's amazing.
Really, really good. So come to Casper's.
Stop by and see us sometime.